Hello my dear students and welcome back to Balaji Online Classes. I am Rabia Khatoon and today I will be teaching you English Grammar of class 6. We will be studying chapter number 33 of your book and the name of the chapter is Robin Hood and the Butcher. So this is basically a story of a man whose name was Robin and he disguised himself, or you can say he made himself as a butcher. You know what is butcher? A person who sells or cuts meat. ठीक, that person is called butcher. So the story is all about that. And other than that, there is a character who is the sheriff of Nottingham. He used to hate Robin because Robin was very kind. He used to help poor people. He used to save them from being robbed. So the sheriff, this person, used to hate Robin. Okay, so the sheriff was very unkind man and he used to hate Robin. He used to treat people very badly. Sheriff used to treat people very badly. So he did not like Robin. Okay. One day, what happened? Robin was walking through the forest. Robin used to live in the forest, and one day he was walking through that. Then he saw a butcher. When he saw the butcher, he saw that he was selling meat. So he asked him what the price was, and he asked that what will he take for if he takes whole of the meat from him. He asked कि अगर मैं आपसे पूरा मीट ले लूं और ये जो आपका पोनी है, पोनी is a small horse, ठीक है? That if that also I buy, what money you will take? And the person told him the money, and Robin bought up all the things. He took all the things from that butcher and he made himself as a butcher. He went to that place. He went to Nottingham and he started selling meat at that place. He started selling meat at 10. He started selling meat at 2 pence. 2 pence is a currency. So he started selling meat at 2 pence and it was sold at 10 pence. 10 pence की वो बिकती थी और वो 2 pence में बेच रहा था. तो everybody got there and they all started seeing कि ये कौन सा ऐसा बचर आया जो इतने कम प्राइस में, इतने reasonable price में ये हमें बेच रहा है. And all other butchers were also shocked कि who is this new one. So they all used to have a dinner. They used to have a dinner all together. All the butchers of the market used to have a dinner at the town hall, the place of that sheriff. They used to have dinner there. So they invited the new butcher, that means Robin, also there. When they invited Robin also there, so Robin went there and he saw that the sheriff's wife, she was very kind woman and she treated she treated Robin very nicely, and Robin was very much impressed by her kindness. But he did not tell that he was Robin because sheriff was very much cruel and he was not liking, he was jealous of Robin. So Robin sat all together with them and he started having the dinner, and Robin got the place just right hand side of the sheriff, which was the most important place to get. But sheriff was not able to recognize कि ये Robin है और उन्होंने उसे एक नई place अपने साइड में दी. और फिर when the dinner got over, he asked Robin that though sheriff was a very greedy man, so he thought कि अगर मैं इससे सारा मीट और इसके पास जितने भी सारे एनिमल्स हैं उन्हें अगर मैं इससे ले लूंगा तो ये इतने कम प्राइस में बेच रहा है, ये मुझे इतने कम प्राइस में दे देगा, ठीक, और मैं ये जो कम प्राइस में देगा मैं इसे ज्यादा प्राइस में दूसरे बचर्स को बेच दूंगा और मैं कितना सारा मनी कलेक्ट कर लूंगा, अमाउंट कमा लूंगा, ठीक. So he decided to ask Robin that on what amount he is going to give. So Robin said, yes, I am having a few animals and with that I am also having a land which you can take, and but you will have to accompany me to the forest so that we can see the land and you can see the animals and you can buy from there. So whole of the night sheriff packed all the money, he packed all the amount, and in the morning itself both of them started to the place of, because sheriff अभी तक रॉबिन को पहचान नहीं पाए थे तो वो उसके साथ वो लैंड और वो एनिमल्स देखने चल दिए कि उन्हें वो लेना था. When they started walking, so Robin was ahead and he pointed कि we have to go towards the forest. So Sheriff asked कि are we going towards the forest? I think we should not go there because there is a man Robin who is living there and he robs everyone. He takes away money from everyone. So I don't want to go there. But Robin said that we are not going to that place and please accompany me. And as soon as he accompanied him, he went and it was Robin's place and Robin used to live in the forest. वो Robin की place थी. Robin की place पर वो शेरिफ पहुंचे और तब उन्हें realize हुआ कि ये Robin ही है और he is disguised and वो उसे पहचान नहीं पाए. So Robin took away all the money from him. He gave a very good dinner. This was Robin's habit कि वो जब भी किसी से पैसा लेता था, ऐसे इंसान से जो कि बहुत ग्रीडी होता था, बहुत क्रूएल होता था, जो गरीबों का पैसा मार लेता था, उनसे जब वो पैसा लेता था तो उन्हें एक अच्छा सा डिनर करवाता था. तो जब डिनर करवाया तो शेरिफ थॉट दैट ही इज अ काइंड मैन और ये शायद मेरे पैसे ना ले. शेरिफ कहने भी लगा कि आई हैव नॉट गॉट मनी, मैं पैसा नहीं लाया हूँ बल्कि उसमें सिर्फ स्टोन्स हैं और देयर इज नो मनी. But there was money and Robin took away all the money and distributed them amongst his men who were poor. So this was the story. I hope you have understood whatever I have explained you. For the better understanding of the story, you can read it by your own. There is a simple language. You can understand it. This is a story. That's why you can better understand it. The notes of this chapter you will be getting on School Mitra app. You can download it from there and complete your work in your book and copy. Until my next video, bye bye and take care.